Where are the 2024 Summer Olympic Games scheduled to be held? A. Tokyo. B. Paris. C. Los Angeles. D. Sydney. Answer. B. Paris. Paris, France, will host the 2024 Summer Olympics, making it the third time the city has hosted the event, after 1900 and 1924. Which year marks the centenary of Paris hosting its first Summer Olympics? A. 2024. B. 2020. C. 1924. D. 1912. Answer. A. 2024. The 2024 Games mark the centenary, 100 years, since Paris last hosted the Olympics in 1924. Which of the following sports will debut at the 2024 Paris Olympics? A. Cricket. B. Breakdancing. C. Squash. D. Polo. Answer. B. Breakdancing. Breakdancing, officially known as breaking, will debut as an Olympic sport in Paris 2024. What is the official motto of the Paris 2024 Olympics? A. Faster, higher, stronger. B. Inspire a generation. C. Games wide open. D. United by emotion. Answer. C. Games wide open. The motto for the Paris 2024 Games is Games wide open, symbolizing inclusion and diversity. Who is the president of the International Olympic Committee, IOC, during the 2024 Olympics? A. Jacques Rogge. B. Thomas Bach. C. Sebastian Coe. D. Gianni Infantino. Answer. B. Thomas Bach. Thomas Bach, a former Olympic fencer, has been the president of the IOC since 2013. Which iconic Parisian monument will host the beach volleyball matches during the 2024 Olympics? A. Eiffel Tower. B. Louvre Museum. C. Notre Dame Cathedral. D. Arc de Triomphe. Answer. A. Eiffel Tower. The beach volleyball matches will take place at a venue set up near the Eiffel Tower. How many sports will be contested in the Paris 2024 Olympics? A. 25. B. 30. C. 32. D. 33. Answer. C. 32. A total of 32 sports will be contested during the 2024 Summer Olympics. Which city was originally competing with Paris for the 2024 Olympic bid but was awarded the 2028 Games instead? A. New York. B. Los Angeles. C. Madrid. D. Rome. Answer. B. Los Angeles. Los Angeles was a strong contender for 2024 but was awarded the 2028 Olympics after an agreement. Which of the following countries has never hosted the Summer Olympics? A. Australia. B. Brazil. C. South Africa. D. Greece. Answer. C. South Africa. South Africa has never hosted the Summer Olympics, while Australia, Brazil, and Greece have. Which of the following sports was included in the Olympic Games for the first time in Tokyo 2020 but will continue in Paris 2024? A. Karate. B. Skateboarding. C. Baseball. D. Rugby. Answer. B. Skateboarding. Skateboarding made its Olympic debut in Tokyo 2020 and will continue in Paris 2024. In which year did Paris last host the Summer Olympics? A. 1900. B. 1924. C. 1984. D. 2000. Answer. B. 1924. Paris last hosted the Summer Olympics in 1924, 100 years before the 2024 edition. What is the maximum number of athletes expected to participate in the Paris 2024 Olympics? A. 10,000. B. 11,500. C. 12,500. D. 9,000. Answer. B. 11,500. Approximately 11,500 athletes are expected to participate in the 2024 Summer Olympics. Which sport is making a comeback at the Paris 2024 Olympics after being excluded from recent editions? A. Baseball. B. Tug of war. C. Golf. D. Cricket. Answer. A. Baseball. Baseball, softball returns to the Olympics, having been excluded after 2008 but returning in Tokyo 2020. The marathon events at the Paris 2024 Olympics will be inspired by which historic event? A. French Revolution. B. World War II. C. Tour de France. D. Bastille Day. Answer. A. French Revolution. The marathon route will be inspired by the historic Women's March on Versailles during the French Revolution. What is the official emblem of the Paris 2024 Olympic Games? A. Eiffel Tower. B. Marianne. C. Olympic rings. D. Flame. Answer. B. Marianne. The emblem is a gold medal, a flame, and the face of Marianne, symbolizing France and revolution. Which of the following is not a venue for the Paris 2024 Olympics? A. Stade de France. B. Champs-Élysées. C. Versailles. D. Colosseum. Answer. D. Colosseum. The Colosseum is in Rome, Italy, and is not a venue for the Paris 2024 Olympics. How many nations are expected to participate in the Paris 2024 Olympics? A. 206. B. 190. C. 180. D. 160. Answer. A. 206. A total of 206 nations are expected to participate, the same as in previous Olympics. Which water sport will be hosted at the iconic River Seine in the Paris 2024 Olympics? A. Swimming. B. Rowing. C. Canoe sprint. D. Marathon swimming. Answer. D. Marathon swimming. Marathon swimming will take place in the Seine, as part of Paris' efforts to clean the river for public use. Which country won the most gold medals in the previous 2020 Tokyo Olympics? A. China. B. USA. C. Japan. D. Russia. Answer. B. USA. The USA topped the medal tally at the Tokyo 2020 Olympics with the most gold medals. Which of these countries is expected to make its Olympic debut in Paris 2024? A. Kosovo. B. Bhutan. C. Vatican City. D. Haiti. Answer. C. Vatican City. The Vatican City is expected to participate in the Olympics for the first time. How many times has Paris been selected to host the Summer Olympic Games? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Answer. C. 3. Paris has hosted the Summer Olympics twice before, in 1900 and 1924, making 2024 its third time. What will be the maximum number of sports athletes can compete in the decathlon event at the Paris Olympics? A. 8. B. 9. C. 10. D. 12. Answer. C. 10. The decathlon consists of 10 track and field events. Who will be the official mascot for the Paris 2024 Olympics? A. Frugers. B. Izzy. C. Wenlock. D. Maretuva. Answer. A. Frugers. Frugers are based on the French Revolutionary Phrygian caps, symbolizing liberty and fraternity. Which of the following will not be a competition category in the Paris 2024 Olympics? A. BMX freestyle. B. Mixed triathlon. C. Underwater hockey. D. Handball. Answer. C. Underwater hockey. Underwater hockey is not included in the Olympics. What is the significance of the River Seine for the Paris 2024 Olympics? A. Opening ceremony venue. B. Host of tennis matches. C. Rowing events location. D. Closing ceremony venue. Answer. A. Opening ceremony venue. The opening ceremony of Paris 2024 will take place on the River Seine, a first for the Olympic Games. How many torchbearers are expected to carry the Olympic flame across France before the 2024 Games? A. 5,000. B. 10,000. C. 12,000. D. 15,000. Answer. B. 10,000. Around 10,000 torchbearers will carry the Olympic flame across France in the lead-up to the 2024 Games. Which country is the defending champion in men's soccer at the Paris 2024 Olympics? A. Argentina. B. Brazil. C. Germany. D. France. Answer. B. Brazil. Brazil won the gold medal in men's soccer at the Tokyo 2020 Olympics. Which sport will be contested in the historic venue of Château de Versailles in Paris 2024? A. Equestrian. B. Fencing. C. Archery. D. Judo. Answer. A. Equestrian. The equestrian events will be held at the Château de Versailles. Which famous French president was instrumental in securing Paris as the host city for the 2024 Olympics? A. Nicolas Sarkozy. B. Emmanuel Macron. C. François Hollande. D. Jacques Chirac. Answer: C. François Hollande. Former French President François Hollande played a key role in securing Paris as the host city. What is unique about the Paris 2024 Olympic medals? A. Made from recycled metals. B. Shaped like the Eiffel Tower. C. Contain embedded diamonds. D. Double-sided designs. Answer: A. Made from recycled metals. The medals for the Paris 2024 Olympics will be made from recycled metals, promoting sustainability.